Rich Parker here with A Action Realty Inspection. Today I'm inspecting a property in the beautiful town of South Lake, Texas. Beautiful community here. This home was built in 2014 and I'm in the garage, as you can see. We're gonna look at the panel box. Again, house is only about 4 years old. This is our main panel box over my shoulder. It's a 200 amp panel box located in the garage, and it's properly installed, proper clearance on it. Its bus bar on this side is a neutral bus bar, and that's correctly installed with all the neutral wires tied to that bus bar. And on the other side, there's a ground bus bar, and that ground bar is properly installed again. In a main panel box, they can be connected, which it is. Now we get over to the sub panel box. Sub panel boxes are a little different. Your neutrals and grounds should be separated. Your neutrals should not be tied to the cabinet, but your ground should have a bus bar and tied back to the cabinet. Now we're in our sub panel box. As you see, the neutral bus bar, it's properly installed. Again, all the white wires are tied to the bus bar. But when we get over to where there should be a bus bar for the ground, it appears that the electrician didn't quite finish this job. And as you see, the ground wires, they're not tied to a bus bar, and they're not tied back to the cabinet. They're just dangling in the cabinet back there. Another great find. We're here for you when you need us. A Action Realty Inspection. When you're looking for a quality professional inspector, call A Action.